This is for the pH and buffer lab that you'll be investigating. This is the virtual lab that you'll be using to set up, and this is going to explain quite briefly how to go about using this to make it pain-free for you. So to start with, you're going to be using some Erlenmeyer flasks, which can be found underneath this link right here, and you'll need to select one and it will appear on the screen for you. You can move it around. To these flasks, you're going to be adding various solutions which are found off to the left. Just for an example, let's add the buffer solution. You'll need to drag that onto the screen as well. You'll be adding to your empty flask here, and you can do that simply by clicking and dragging so it overlaps. This will simulate a pour. Now how much you want to add to that flask in milliliters, you can do that down at the bottom of the screen. Let's just do 50 just for an example. So you type in 50 and then select pour, and it will pour into that flask. When you're done pouring, click on the buffer solution, drag it away. If you want to get that off the screen entirely, click on it. You can delete it, and all that's left is the flask that you'll be measuring. You'll be using some of these instruments off to the right here to complete the activity. The two that you'll probably be looking at the most are the pH meter down in the lower right here. That's actually what you're going to be recording. The volume up here might help as well as you go to add things like if you wanted to add distilled water to this. The increments we're going to be using for our mixing is half a milliliter at a time, so 0.5 down at the bottom. And pour, you'll notice that the 50 goes up to 50.5 ml. If you happen to get lost with how much you've added, this is a quick check where you can figure out how many milliliters that you've added. If you have any other questions, please ask while you're going through this.